Well, 50, I'm glad you can come in and talk to us today. You know, you've come a long way. #1 in the music industry. You successfully created Vitamin Water, your own brand. You're doing big things for yourself. But I think, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Come a long way in the 50 Cent project, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yes, 50. That's exactly why we want to offer you your own show, your own reality show. Oh, really? What kind of show you talking about? What kind of show is this? I'm not sure I heard a word you just said, 50. But this show, this is going to be like The Apprentice. Oh, so that should be, I get money you get, I get to be like a billionaire, Don Trump, you know what I'm saying? Yes, 50, we know what you're saying. Now all you have to do is just sign this contract and just agree to pay us $50 billion. So I can just sign the contract right here, just that? Oh, the NTV? Okay, I signed. Yeah, NTV is a good channel. I watch Channel 53 all the time. Alright, 50, thank you. No problem, man. Pleasure's all mine. By the way, what show you say it's gonna be on again? It's gonna be on NTV. I'm sorry, what show? What was that? Oh, you know, NTV. Excuse me, just one more time. 3.